Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to turn your photo into a Yumi Cells zodiac poster using Pippit AI. So Pippit AI is an AI creative platforms or AI creative tools that will help you to create or to generate any AI content. And in here, we will use this tool to turn your photo into a Yumi Cells zodiac poster that looks so incredible. And if you want to try this tool, you can just check the link in the descriptions or pin comment to access this tool. And okay, let's get started. First, just open Pippit AI like this. You will see the homepage like this, and then just go to Image Studio, choose AI Designs, and then just upload the photo. Upload the photo that you want to transform, and then after that, just write your prompt. For I already make my prompt like this. You can just copy my prompt like this. Or if you want to tweak it as you like to match your styles, just feel free to tweak it. And then after that, just choose your AI model. In here, I want to choose seed trim. And then just adjust your ratio and then resolutions. And then after that, just tap submit like this and wait for the moment. And okay like this. You look at the results like this. And I think it's so cute. Okay, it has a little TV on it like this. Next, maybe you can just try it yourself. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.